Good morning everyone. Welcome to all subscribers and welcome to everyone dito sa Passive Ballers. Ibang pusa na naman po yan. His name is Ginebra. Closer ng Chicago Cubs. Baseball naman yun. Lahat po ng sports supported natin. Anyway, it's November 20, 2020 obviously. So we're here to discuss yung PBA. We have two games later on. It's the game 2 of the semifinals. First game would be Meralco Bolts going up against Brgy Ginebra San Miguel. The first game was a beating. Halos nakakatamad panoorin, di ba? Aminin ko, medyo tinamad panoorin yun. Because I really didn't expect that it would be that huge of a blowout, you know. I actually didn't think that it would be a blowout at all. Pero yun nga, Ginebra prepared a very good defense. Hindi masyado nakaporma sila Amer, sila Almazan. It was just Maliksi who was able to somehow score pa rin despite of Ginebra's great defense. So it will be a question as to what's going to happen later on. Will Ginebra's defense remain that tight? Would they, Meralco, are they gonna run the same kind of offense? If they would they be able to push through? Maraming questions eh. I mean, if you're the coach of both Meralco and Ginebra, it is indeed a chess match, di ba? Sige, try pa rin natin. Ikaw si Norman Black, try pa rin natin. Let's just tweak something out of it para malusutan natin yung defense nila. Or let's try an entirely different offense at all, which could somehow remove you dun sa comfort zone mo. Diba? For example, ang gusto talaga natin is fast break game. Tapos gusto natin, sige mag-set tayo kasi di tayo makaporma. It's gonna be very hard. So, for me, whenever it's a serious game, it's always parang 60% talaga sa coach yan. Diskarte ng coach, ng coaching staff and coaching management. And then the players, it's just up to them on how they would be able to follow and how they'd be able to respond to it. Diba? So, again, question, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win tonight? And again, sorry din sa mga sabi ko dun sa video that I posted on Facebook that I would be posting the videos last night. Uy! Mga ano mga to? Sorry, sa kalagitnaan ng video ko lagi. Biglang may extra tong pusa namin. So, ano na? Ayun. Kasi pinipindot yung keyboard ko eh. Baka pag yun ko may nasendang email sa boss ko, yari ako, di ba? So, there. So who's gonna win? That's the question. And again, I just want to continue and finish my apology dun sa mga nag-antay kagabi or kahapon kasi nga, I was outside the house. We were in UST. May mga inasikaso lang. So, sorry kung supposedly I was to upload these videos last night kasi pagod na, nakatulog talaga eh. Alagapak sa kama. So, there. Anyway, who's gonna win? I think it would still be Ginebra. Ginebra San Miguel would go up 2 wins and 0 losses. I'm sure Coach Tim Cone would be prepared and would be anticipating on what Meralco would do, on what Coach Norman would do. Ang intindihan kasi natin dito is hindi naman sa nababasa ni Coach Tim Cone kung ano nasa isip ni Coach Norman Black. Yeah, somehow ganun you try to think of what the other coach is thinking, but you look at the players din naman kasi. Of course, Coach Norman Black would look at his players and would come out of something out of the players, diba? Hindi mo naman pwede patakbuhin yung mga hindi naman tumatakbo talaga. So, alam ni Team Cone yung maaaring i-come up ng isang coach by simply looking at the players. Okay, these are the players and these are the possible approaches that they could have, and then they would prepare certain defense. If they would do this, and let's do this. If they would do that, and let's do that. Parang ganon. And again, Coach Tim Cone is simply one of the best. So I trust that Ginebra would go 2 wins and 0 losses after tonight's game. Again, that's gonna jump in 3:45 p.m. November 20, 2020. Heads up lang doon sa may mga nagme-message siya kasi sa akin kahapon. Idol plus 9 Meralco, pwede ba? Mga ganun, sobrang tataas. Ako, one thing that I could the free picks that I give here are money line. Tapos message nyo na lang ako kung may plus minus. Pero one thing that I could also add on to this, unsolicited advice, pag masyadong mataas yung binibigay sa Meralco, masyadong plus, I'm not saying that Ginebra cannot do that, but let's be careful because again, hindi naman din walang kwenta yung Meralco para magpatambak ng back-to-back games, diba? So please be careful sa mga plus 9, plus 10 na yan, parang grabe naman kung mauulit. Akin lang yan so again, just hit me up, message me sa Pasay Ballers sa Facebook, and again, if you like this video, just click on like, hit subscribe, and please share this to others. And again, remind ko lang, managed betting lang po talaga tayo, and let's be patient. Itaya lang natin yung mga kaya naman talaga nating mawala, kumbaga, diba? Trip lang, kumbaga. If you're a rich guy, then go right ahead, put 10k, diba? Why would you put 10k kung yung 10k na yung pambayad mo ng electric bill, diba? Ibang usapan na po yun. Okay, that's when sinning starts, diba? Pero kung nag-enjoy ka lang naman, then go right ahead. Alright, so kita po tayo mamaya para sa second video. Let's enjoy the day. Let's enjoy the games later on. Peace out. Pasay love and God bless.